We're inside now. There's like a little station here. Apparently, probably was like a guard tower. People could shoot at the enemy. You can see here there's some arches, and you could shoot everywhere. You could, I guess, shoot this way, out on this side. There's windows everywhere, so obviously this was one of the military stops. And to keep people from coming up the sides. Here, the enemy was trying to get to them. They had to go through all those woods and climb up that side of that mountain in order to get up to the edge of the wall. By then, they would not have the opportunity probably because they would get shot. And then this goes up to the next station. You can see people coming down there. And this just goes on and on, forever and ever.